And if you are hoping to adopt a pet in Port Aransas, you'll have to wait a little longer.
The animal shelter there temporarily pausing adoptions and new intakes after multiple cases of kennel cough were reported. Lydia Herrera shows us how their team is working to keep animals safe.
Port Aransas Animal Shelter is temporarily closed after 5 dogs were confirmed to have kennel cough, a contagious respiratory disease. Shelter officer BJ Grimes jumped into action to prevent it from spreading.
So in a shelter environment, once they all get them, it's kind of hard to not have it spread. So what we're doing is every animal goes out, we deep clean everything, we use our sanitizing equipment that we use, we let everything dry out, we'll bring them back in.
Those precautions have led to limitations for visitors.
So right now, our cats, people can come see our cats, but as far as dogs go, you can't go in there and see the dogs or anything like that.
Santa Fe Animal Hospital veterinarian Julian Schaefer says kennel cough is common, but treatable.
If you treat them at all, it's just with antitussives. Every now and then it's an antibiotic if they need it. If there's a bunch of, gross discharge from the nose or the eyes, it seems like it's worse than normal. But most of the time it's just something for cough.
That early treatment and proper containment is what Schaefer says makes all the difference.
So it's very contagious. It spreads typically through respiratory droplets. Some of them can be airborne. So again, it's typically found in dogs that are in close proximity to each other, so they tend to be less severe with the vaccine on board though.
For now, Grimes says the situation is under control.
So basic kennel cough treatment, it's kind of just let it run its course. If it does seem severe, the vet will give some medication for it. So right now, the ones that do have it, everything's just mild, it's just a cough, so we don't need to intervene with medication at this moment.
And for those hoping to rescue a new furry friend, the shelter plans to fully reopen once all dogs are healthy and ready to meet their new families. Lydia Herrera, 3 News.